Hello, today I wanted to share some of the modifications I made to my 1920s or 1930s L&R Master watch cleaning machine. I've added ultrasonic transducers to the cleaning tanks. I've added bidirectional agitation to the motor and timed cleaning cycles. Go ahead and post some comments below and let me know if you'd like to see the wiring and how I did this up so you could replicate it for yourself. I'm going to demonstrate this machine's capabilities by just tossing in the dirtiest scrap movement I have and see what it does. And here I have a model of 1873 Waltham size 6 pocket watch movement, which is very gummy. This is a watch that was made in 1886 and it's probably been sitting for 100 years. You can see that the pallet bridge down there is just covered in oil that has pretty much turned to shellac. The balance just barely moves. When you push it, it doesn't bounce back. And that oil covering up all that engraving is not even fluid, it's just gum. And I'm going to just toss this straight into the cleaning machine without disassembly, and I have a pretty good bet that it's going to come out running. This ultrasonic cleaning with the bidirectional agitation and heated, this cuts through everything. And this isn't the way you clean a watch movement. Obviously it's supposed to be completely disassembled and properly cleaned, but this is just a proof of functionality, not a proper watch cleaning I'm trying to demonstrate here. And today's Monday that I'm recording this, and on Monday is the day that I put new cleaning solution into the machine. And before I did that, I was going to toss this in there and clean it with this old solution so I don't ruin the brand new solutions I'm going to put in there for the week. The arrow here is pointing at the relay, which controls the bidirectional agitation of the motor. The dial on top allows you to set the time between the pulses which switch directions on the motor. The L&R Master watch cleaning machine, made in the 1940s and later, came with bidirectional agitation. Since this one is older than that, it doesn't have it, and this relay switches up the current as frequently as it's programmed to, with the dial on the top to add in the bidirectional agitation. Transducers are on the bottom of the tanks, and the box to the left has a controller inside of it, and the switches allow you to turn on whichever tank you want to have the ultrasonic running on. And the speed is controlled as it normally is with the controller on the front of the cleaning machine. And outside of switching on the appropriate tank, you run the cycles just like you typically would. I like to run the cycles for 5 minutes, but you can go 10, 15, or 20 with the timer that's on there. And then you spin them off and go on to the next solution. I have a fourth cleaning tank with a transducer on the bottom that I rotate in when I clean movements that are this dirty typically. That allows me to pre-clean the movement to get all the hair and oil off of it before I start the cleaning procedure, and keeps me from ruining the expensive cleaning solutions. And here we're pulling the movement straight out, and yeah, I'm not surprised there weren't any broken parts, and the cleaning machine has cleaned it so well that all the gum is gone. And obviously it's not lubricated and not properly cleaned, but You can see the pallet bridge down there and all of its engraving. It's been cleaned off. All that solidified gum is gone. Thanks for watching to the end. Like and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything I can do to help.